everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Aishwarya and I'm vlogging today. It's gonna be a special vlog because I'm gonna go to my native place after a year. We were gonna go there in summer vacations like we always do, but this time lockdown happened and we were not able to go. But now it's time to go and I'm super duper excited, and I am traveling by road this time. That's why I have decided to vlog. And yeah, so I'll take you guys around. We all are so much excited. Anjali is looking very much excited, I am very much excited, and yes, let's just go. I have to fix this, by the way, and I'll meet you guys on the way. Stay tuned, don't go, okay?
सगळे दिसतात आहे. लेट्स गो. मामा तू पण म्हणून टाक. लेट्स गो.
Time for some fuel. Okay guys, right now it is, what time it is?
It's 10:28.
Yeah, so right now it is 10:28 and we are here at Marathi Jhatka to have some misal as our breakfast. So yes, let's see how it turns out. My nose is all red because of the mask, and Anjali is feeling cold, that's why the scarf. I don't know why she's feeling cold. Even she doesn't. Anyway, excuse us for our these faces, and yeah.
जरा जातेस फ्रेम मधून 2 मिनिटं.
Okay, so Marathi Jhatka is especially famous for its chicken misal. मैंने ऐसे ही normally Prajakta Mai, if you guys know who she is a Marathi actress, and her show is Mast Maharashtra. So I don't know whether this is the spot or not, but when I got to know that there is some kind of misal which has chicken in it, I was all set to try it. So when I searched on internet, on Google, the first restaurant which was recommended was this. So we decided to try this out, and now let's see how the misal is going to turn out, and it will be like a mini review for you guys, and also we are gonna have fun eating it because misal is always my favorite, and I don't know, let's just see. Also, opposite to it there's a bungalow, this one, and it is such a pretty bungalow. I don't know, I love bright colors and it is beautiful. Hopefully one day I have one. Anyway, let's just go and have food. I'm super hungry because I haven't had anything since I left the house. Let's go. कशी आहे?
ओके सो हियर इज़ द रिव्यू फॉर यू गाइज. मिसल उतनी ही टेस्टी थी जितनी वो दिख रही थी. एज यू गाइज कैन सी यहाँ पे चिकन कीमा दिया है और फिर उसके नीचे मिसल का जो फरसान होता है वो है. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द करी वॉज लेस स्पाइसी. एक्चुअली मैंने जब उनको पूछा तभी उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि 3 टाइप के करीज आते हैं और फिर उसमें मेरा जो था वो मीडियम वाला था, बट स्टिल इट वॉज नॉट दैट स्पाइसी. And the pav was little hard as you guys can see, but overall the misal was good and yes, we enjoyed it.
The misal was fantastic and now we are going to continue our journey.
Yes.
Let's go. लोनावला आए और मगनलाल की चिक्की नहीं खाई तो क्या किया?
For me.
Guys, so we are here at Ganesh Thakur Dhaba. Ganesh Thakur Dhaba in Satara somewhere, I don't know. We just entered the border of Satara and now we are gonna have our lunch and I'm extremely hungry and also the place is super nice, like everything is all green and I'm eating in a dhaba after a year or something. So let's just go in and have some food. I'm really very hungry and after that we are straight gonna go head home. while I have reached, I'm feeling so nice and fresh right here. I don't know what to say. I'm just feeling so good. I'm overwhelmed. I don't know what to speak. So I think I might continue this vlog tomorrow and end it tomorrow. So you might see a little bit clips here and there, and yeah. Hey, it is the next morning और मेरे इस अवतार के लिए आई एम वेरी सॉरी. कल रात को जब मैं आई तभी दादी ने हम सबको बहुत अच्छी सी चंपी करके दी थी. बाय द वे, ये देख रहे हो आप, मैं मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल हो रही हूँ आप लोगों के सामने. मतलब मैं ऐसे ऐसे आने लगी हूँ कैमरा के सामने और आप लोगों के सामने, तो हाई फाई. एनीवे, मैं कल व्लॉग एंड नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि बहुत ही दंगल मची हुई थी घर में. कल हम भी मुंबई से आ गए, मेरे बुआ की फैमिली भी पुणे से आ गई यहाँ पे, एंड the house is very full now. It feels great. Anyway, so I'm gonna go right now and join my family. And yes, yeah, saying this, let's end the vlog. Guys, thank you so much for watching it, and you know the drill. Like it, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube. Until next time, bye.